Ever found yourself staring at your Beam wallet, wondering, just how much is this digital treasure chest actually worth? You're not alone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Beam and unraveling the factors that determine the value held within your secure vault. Now, before we get down to the nitty-gritty, it's crucial to understand that a Beam wallet itself doesn't have a fixed monetary value. Think of it like a physical wallet. The wallet itself has a cost, but its real worth lies in the cash, cards, and other assets you store inside. Similarly, your Beam wallet is a secure place to hold your Beam coins, and it's the value of these coins that we're really interested in. So, how do we figure out the worth of those Beam coins nestled in your wallet? The answer lies in the dynamic and often volatile world of cryptocurrency markets. The price of Beam, like most cryptocurrencies, is determined by supply and demand on various cryptocurrency exchanges. Buyers and sellers constantly interact, and their collective actions push the price up or down. Several factors influence this dance of supply and demand. Market sentiment plays a huge role. Positive news, technological advancements within the Beam ecosystem, or increased adoption can create bullish sentiment, driving more people to buy Beam and pushing the price upwards. Conversely, negative news, security concerns, or broader market downturns can trigger bearish sentiment, leading to selling pressure and a price decrease. Another crucial element is the overall health of the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, often seen as the king of cryptocurrencies, can significantly impact the price movements of altcoins like Beam. When Bitcoin rallies, it often lifts the entire market, and when it dips, many other cryptocurrencies follow suit. The utility and adoption of the Beam network also play a vital role. The more people and projects that actively use the Beam blockchain for its confidential transactions and growing ecosystem, the higher the demand for its native coin, potentially increasing its value. Partnerships, integrations with other platforms, and the development of innovative applications on the Beam network can all contribute to its perceived worth. Furthermore, macroeconomic factors can indirectly influence the price of Beam. Inflation rates, interest rate decisions by central banks, and global economic stability can all impact investors' appetite for riskier assets like cryptocurrencies. Keeping track of Beam's price is relatively straightforward. Numerous cryptocurrency exchanges list Beam, and you can find its current trading value in various fiat currencies like USD, Euro, and GBP. Websites and apps dedicated to tracking cryptocurrency prices provide real-time data, charts, and historical price information, allowing you to monitor its performance. Remember that prices can fluctuate rapidly, so staying informed is key. It's also important to consider the specific amount of Beam you hold in your wallet. If you have 10 Beam coins and each coin is currently trading at $1, then the total value of your holdings is $10. If the price jumps to $2 per coin, your holdings are now worth $20. This simple multiplication highlights how the price per coin directly impacts the overall worth of your Beam in your wallet. The worth of your Beam wallet isn't a fixed number. It's a reflection of the current market price of Beam multiplied by the quantity you hold. This price is constantly shifting, influenced by a complex interplay of market sentiment, overall crypto trends, network utility, adoption, and broader economic factors. So, while your Beam wallet provides a secure haven for your digital assets, its true value is intrinsically linked to the ever-evolving cryptocurrency landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.